Hi, I'm Darylyn Brewster from the Washington Centerville Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew face mask. It's very simple. All you need is a bandana or a piece of fabric the size of a bandana, preferably made out of cotton, and 2 hair ties. So you're going to take your bandana or your fabric, fold it, fold it, fold it again, pull that last part up, take your hair tie, stick it around one corner, take the other hair tie, put it on the other end, and you're going to take this end and stuff it inside. A friend of mine showed me how to do this yesterday. I also have, if you like to sew, there's also a sewing video you can watch. And you have a face mask. Thanks for watching.